Hello traders, happy new month. Welcome to the month of November. I wish you a lot of profitability in this month of November. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at a concept called converging trend lines. Okay. If you are familiar with trend lines, then you should know that they are very important tools that many traders use. Okay. Very important. If you are a trader that trades based on support and resistance zones, then I don't think you can skip using trend lines. Okay, trend lines play a very crucial role in technical analysis. All right, now whether you are new to Forex or you've been trading for a while, understanding these patterns can seriously level up your trading game. So, what exactly are converging trend lines? Simply put, there are two trend lines that get closer and closer together on a chart. It's as easy as that. Okay, it forms what looks like a triangle, right? One line shows an upward trend and the other shows a downward trend. As they move toward each other, they create a point of convergence, almost like the market's way of saying, I'm at a crossroads here, right? Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you an example of what converging trend line or converging trend lines look like, right? Okay. Um, Looking for a very good example here. Let's see if we can find one on higher time frames, right? Okay. Now you can see this is a downward trend line connecting different highs together. You can see connecting different highs together. And then we had an upward trend line at the same time connecting different lows together. So they have their points of convergence here. So this is what we call a convergence trend line. Okay, this is what we call converging trend lines, rather. So we call converging trend lines. Both of them coming from different directions and meeting at a point. All right. Now, converging trend lines often appear when the market is in a state of consolidation. Okay, that means there's a bit of indecision going on. Yeah, a bit of indecision going on. Buyers and sellers are facing off, but no one's taking control, like we can see on the chart here. Okay, that's the reason why we are having lower highs and higher lows, right? So it's not a bullish structure, neither is it a bearish structure. Okay, think of it like a tug of war, both sides pulling but neither gaining an edge. Eventually though, there will be a breakout, right? And that's where it gets exciting for us as traders. So why should you care about converging trend lines? Well, these patterns are like the market's way of giving us a heads up. If we spot converging trend lines on a currency pair, it often means a big move is coming. It could be a breakout in either direction, but with the right strategy, you can use that knowledge to prepare. Okay. So how do we actually trade with converging trend lines? Let's break it down into 3 steps. First of all, you should identify the converging lines. You start by drawing your trend lines, as you can see, like how I did. You draw your trend lines, both of them. One should follow the highs, as this one did. One should follow the highs and the other should follow the lows, right? As they get closer, we are approaching a potential breakout. You can see that we even had a breakout here. We already had a breakout in this particular example. Now, because after you identify the trend lines and draw them, you have to watch out for a breakout. Once you see the lines getting close enough to almost touch, it's time to pay attention. Breakouts usually occur after a period of consolidation, like we have here, and they can happen in either direction. Then you have to set your strategy. Decide in advance how you respond if the price breaks above the upper trend line or below the lower trend line. Have your entry and exit points planned so you are not scrambling once the action starts. All right? Okay. So this is where practice makes perfect. Try spotting converging trend lines on demo charts and watch how price behaves around those points. You'll start to notice patterns that can give you a real edge in the market. If you're finding this helpful, hit that like button to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this. I've got tons of tips and strategies coming your way, so stick around. All right? So remember, converging trend lines are one of the clearest indicators of potential change in the market. But like any tool, it's all about timing and patience, right? Don't rush in. Instead, wait for confirmation of a breakout and set your trades accordingly. For example, we already had a breakout here, but it doesn't mean we should just jump into a buy trade. It's ideal that we wait for a confirmation. And one of the ways to confirm a breakout is by having a retest of the breakout point. The price should at least retest that breakout point, although we kind of had a retest already here. Okay, but we have to watch out for what happens next. Perhaps a bullish candlestick pattern should also form, because this could be a pullback. It's already retested here, so this could be another retest that's about to happen. Maybe it wants to form a double bottom or something. Yeah, you just have to make sure that we get good confirmation before entering the trade. All right, so that's it for today. That's it for this particular video. That's it for converging trend lines. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep watching those trend lines. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.